welcome to this video. In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you the 5 ways sounding authentically British accent. Let's get started. Okay, let's fake British accent. To sound like a Brit, you'll need a flexible tongue tip that must be exercised. Well, American particularly lazy tongue tips. Brit speech requires a dropped jaw, vertical open lips. Imagine that you are blowing kisses and say the word swan. Secondly, we're talking about the t and do sounds. As you notice, a lot of Brits usually pronounce t sounds. And when they say, let's say for example, okay, don't, yes. Well, most Americans usually use don't or something like don't know, I don't know. In Brits, they usually say I don't know or I don't know, something like that. And well, for example, the ts and do's, it's like butter and butter. Commonly that sounds really different, right? And that's American thing, butter. They usually switch the t sounds into d, like water, water. Yeah, instead of saying water, or in the north part area in Brits, they say as water. Well, typically they usually use water. May I have some water, please? Instead, each word needs to pronounce or speak more slowly to get the British accent, okay? Okay, to fake more British accent, these are the words that will blow your mind. The first one is quite. Let's say, for example, hello Dan, how's your weekend? It's quite good. It's quite difficult. It's quite nice. Meaning, they often use quite. Second word that they use is mate. Alright mate, how's it going? Alright means, are you okay? Are you alright? And then the mate is friend. I went out with a few mates last night. I'm seeing mates later. I've got loads of mates. We're good mates for some years. They always use mates instead of using friends. While some other people have been using pals or hey buddy, and Brits don't. Okay, well thanks so much mate. Okay, well in American English they say, oh, he's pretty witty. And in British English they say witty, water, totally. Always pronounce T in the middle of the word as a T, not as a D or anything like that. American says, where have you been? Which means B-I-N, been. Where have you been? Well, in Brits, they usually say, where have you been? Where have you been up to lately? And furthermore, we also say as seen, as in S-E-E-N, seen. Have you seen my wallet? No, I've never seen your wallet. Please check on your table. Or please check on the table. Like that. Alright, now let's moving on into book. Well, I have my book. This is my book. And I tried to get a pieces of paper. Okay, so I'm going to read it first. American and British spellings. Some words in American and British English are spelled differently. For instance, words ending in OR in the US are OUR in Britain. Like the words color and color. The American words ending in ER are RE in British, as seen in center and Santa. Also, some American verbs use IZE as endings while the British have ISE, as in organize and organize. Here are other words. American, British. In American, they pronounce airplane, aeroplane, aluminum, aluminum, armor, armor, behavior, behavior, ketchup, ketchup, center, center, check, check, color, color, defense, defense, honor, honor, jewelry, jewelry, labor, labor, math, maths, mommy, mommy, neighbor, neighbor, realize, realize, percent, percent, skeptical, skeptical, skillful, skillful, fatter, fatter, traveling, traveling, tire, tire. Take care, have a nice day, see you later. Goodbye mates.